How to fix Outlook not showing all emails. So here I am in the classic version of Outlook for the Microsoft 365. And then if you have a problem about Outlook not showing all of your emails, we can do different solutions to fix that. The first thing that you need to check is that you need to check your Wi-Fi. So just make sure you are connected to the correct Wi-Fi that you have, and then make sure that your Wi-Fi has internet. Because if not, that may be the reason. So if you don't have internet, you cannot see all of your Outlook emails right here, and then you have a problem with the internet connection. Next up that you need to check is that you need to check if you are using Outlook offline. So when you go to the Send and Receive tab, there is a feature right here that allows you to work offline. So that means you can use Outlook while being offline. So just make sure that is turned off, and then you can identify if Outlook is offline when it has this X icon right here. So again, just turn this off so that you are now online. And then another solution is that you need to make sure that all of your emails are updated and synced. So to do that, you can go to still here in the Send and Receive folders. Then you can click this one, Send and Receive all folders. So this will update and sync all of your emails in all of your folders so that they are up to date. Or you can choose Update folder, then it will automatically update the folder that you are currently in, which in my case, it is the Inbox folder. Another thing that you can do is that you can go to Send and Receive groups, and then you can go to Define Send and Receive groups. Then from here, you can click Edit. Then make sure that they include the selected account in this group is turned on, and then make sure that the Send Mail items and then the Receive Mail items is turned on. So this might be the reason why you are not seeing all of your emails. And then click OK, then click Close. Another thing is that make sure that the filter options is turned off. So maybe you have the filter right here. Like for example, you have the filter that is set up for all unread mails only, or you have your filter that only shows all of your flagged emails, or you have the filter that shows all of your mentioned emails. So just make sure that you are using the all mail filter right here so that you don't have any problems with your inbox. Then make sure that you have the correct sorting option right here. So we have the sort option right here, which is the newest email is on top. And then we have the other sort option where the oldest email is on top. So make sure that you are using the sort feature correctly so that it shows all of your updated email right here at the top instead of you having to scroll down. And then that is basically it. So if you are using the new version of Outlook, so almost all of the same solutions apply. Make sure you have an internet connection, and then you need to make sure that all of your emails are synced. So to do that, you can go to View and then click Sync right here so that it will sync your emails so that you are up to date. And then after that, the email Outlook account should now be synced, and then you should now receive all of your emails right here. And then you can also make sure that you are not using any filters so that you can read or you can have all of your emails right here. And then the same applies to the sort option. Make sure you are sorting by the newest on top and then sorting by date so that you have all of the updated emails at the top. And then that is it. So that is how we can fix Outlook not showing all emails. I hope you learn how to do it, and thank you for watching.